Want to know how to explore Toca Boca World? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Toca Boca World game and you should be right here. Now, exploring it is super simple. So you can just simply explore by either swiping left or right, which would take you to different locations. So as you can see, if I swipe right, I get to different locations like Bob City, Busy Plaza, and much more. As you can see, as I swipe, keep on swiping, I can unlock so many more locations. So I can just simply go to my original locations and explore inside my house as well. Once you're here, I can just simply open up any house and just simply as well as explore. I can also explore items like selecting new items available right here, and then I can just simply build anything that I want. So as you can see right here, building a house, I can just simply select any one of these, build just like this right here, and that's it. Super simple and easy. So this is how you easily explore Toca Boca World. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.